virtually pain-free. Hey guys, I'm here at the grand opening of LaserAway Kirkland. I'm about to get laser hair removal. I've been coming to LaserAway for almost a decade now. It works, I love it, so come along. So we're in the treatment room. I love laser hair removal because I naturally have very dark, coarse hair, and this helps so I don't have to deal with that anymore. And my underarms, I literally never have to shave them. It's a miracle. This is my lovely nurse, Nancy, and we're about to get started. So honestly, for me right now, it doesn't feel like anything. Maybe a little tiny zap here and there, but otherwise, virtually pain-free. I'm super quick. Not bad at all. It goes by so fast. A little zing here and there, but not much. All done with my treatment here at LaserAway. It was quick, it was easy. The nurses at LaserAway are always the kindest. I love working with them. My armpits virtually pain-free, honestly. I'm more so new to getting my legs lasered. There were a little spicy pieces here and there, but overall quick and easy, and I highly recommend. Thanks, LaserAway.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life. Bye.